All right, who do we have here today?
Alicia.
And?
Dylan.
What are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes. This is your second jump?
Third.
Third, okay. Scared, nervous, excited?
All three. Combination, but mostly
We're celebrating
excited.
anything?
My birthday.
Today?
It was yesterday. No, 2 days.
2 days ago. If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
I love everyone in my life.
Lots of love. Let's go celebrate this birthday. High five right here. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. I'm freaking out, man. High five. Way better than Kansas for sure. Pull the right one down. Smile. Yeah. You want to do another one?
I think we'll be okay.
Just relax in. Smile. Just like stick out in front of you. Brush hollow out there. All right, we made it back.
We made it back.
No puke back.
No puking this time.
You did great. You have fun?
That was fucking
Better than
amazing.
last time, right?
Yes.
Good job.
Yes, thank
Come back to see us again. I'll let you open the parachute next time. You just gotta play with my balls, okay? Woo, Skydive, Colorado Springs.